Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny and very bright Margate, Florida. And today we technically got something new, but it's something we've done before. What do I mean? I'll tell you in a second. By the way, if you have questions, there's our telephone number there. You can call us if you need anything. I know a lot of people send me a message on the YouTube, and I try to get to it if I can, but if you have a question like purchasing this topper, you have to call us. That being said, come on over here. So we have a Ranch Sierra topper here, and let's see if John can swing around here and take a look at both sides of it. Now this one does have a lot of good accessories. For example, it does have the T-slots on the top here, so if you want to add racks to it, I don't know if John can see that or not. Also, this has the wind doors with a slider. So what does that mean? Well, I'll show you real quick. A wind door basically opens up so you can reach inside here and you can grab things. But also, if let's say you put your dog back here and you want to open the window, well, you can still slide the window open. There's a little net in there, a little screen. So if you want to camp in there and you want to close it up, you can. You get a little air in there. Also, let's see, go around the back here. Before I go, also I want you to notice the finish on this is the new matte finish. Now, if you look at his truck, he's got all kinds of matte finish trim, the running boards, the fender trim, everything, the bumpers, everything matches. I like this look. You know, I know you can get it to match the truck, but I love this kind of two-tone going on. On my personal truck, I got a lot of black and white going, and I think this looks really good. It matches terrific. Man, it's a sharp look. So let's come back here, and let's go ahead and open this up here, and you'll notice a few things when I open it up. He has also a deck system in here. So this is the new deck system here. So you got your new ammo things over here. Now, the window in the front here, that has, if you notice, his truck has a sliding window which opens up in the middle. So he got a topper that did the same thing. So you can open the middle up. So again, you can, let's say you have your dogs back here, you want the air conditioner to come back there, keep them cool, you can do that. Also, this window is designed to drop down, so if you have to clean your window, which is hard to get to once you get these toppers on, you can clean it very easily. So another smart design. Now, if you look in here, this also has the bed rug, and the bed rug gives it a very premium look. It's a little better looking than the bare fiberglass. I do like the bed rug. I have it on my personal truck. It's super strong. It takes a lot of abuse, but it looks good. Now, again, the deck system here, I love the deck system here. You know, we do, as you know, we've done a lot of videos with the deck system, and this is the newest one, which is really great. I love this product. I think Ranch makes a fine product. And as you know, we're, you know, an authorized Ranch dealer, so we can get this for you. Now, I'm going to tell you some pros and cons. The pros is it's a great product. You'll love it. You can do all kinds of different things with it. The con is we can't drop ship this. That's right. I'm sorry to tell you, you have to come to the store for this. Now, if you call us up and you say you want this Ranch topper, I can find a Ranch dealer near you if you like. But you have to come here. This is just a product that has to be done at the store. So that's the only drawback on this product. It is, again, a great product. You have the racks on the top for the T-slots. You got the wind doors on the side with the sliders. You got the drop-down window on the back with the slider. You got the bed rug interior here. You got the new matte finish. All in all, this is a great product. I like it. I like the deck system with it. And you can see, even though you have a deck system, still tons of room in here. And by the way, you could get a bed rug custom made for this, and which I mean is we trim it accordingly. We'll put it on top and trim it for it, and we can do that for you as well. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Ranch Sierra with the matte black finish on a Ram Rebel. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.